Hello, Great Lakes Christian College, and hello, guests to Great Lakes Christian College. My name is Noah Rohr, and I am the current resident director of men's housing. Phil had asked me if I'd want to talk about personal growth here at Great Lakes, and I had shared with him that I would love to, but unfortunately, I have a wedding this weekend. And so it's sad that I can't be with you folks, but I told Phil that I was so passionate about sharing how I've personally grown that I wanted to make a recording to share with you folks. I'm not the most tech savvy person. I'm trying my best, so if you could just bear with me as I try to work out technology. So I came here as a freshman in the year 2018, and then I just this past spring graduated. I now live here with my wife Lily. She's fantastic. We're super thankful to live here on campus. But in between that time, between 2018, the past spring, I had a lot of personal growth, and I wanted to share with you kind of my testimony. So it all started when I first came. I had met Ryan Bushnell. I had come up for a high school retreat throughout my high school career, and I got to meet him one time. And we had talked and all that stuff. So when I came for a visit, I got to talk with him. He's like, "Oh, Noah, good to see you again," all that stuff. So I came here as a freshman, got plugged in. I got to make great friends, got plugged in really well, got to meet different faculty, got to meet different staff. But Ryan was someone that I had known for a while, and so I kind of leaned on him with adjusting to college, coming to Michigan, because I'm from Ohio. Coming to Michigan and learning the ropes and all that stuff. He really showed me through that. He showed me through what it was like to be a college student, how to take next steps in my faith, all those good things. And I applied to be an RA going into my sophomore year, and he and the women's resident director at that time, they accepted me. And so I got to be an RA for my sophomore, junior, and senior year. And it was just a huge blessing. And being an RA, I had a really awesome position to be able to meet with Ryan. He got to invest in me to help me grow throughout my faith, my experience with being a leader. He was just there the whole way. Because my freshman year, actually, I asked him if he would be willing to disciple me. He said absolutely. And so we got to meet once a week. And he was just great about if I had frustrations, things I didn't understand, I could just sit down and kind of blow off some steam, and he would listen to me. But he would help give me advice on steps to take and things like that. And he just helped me so much. He is huge to who I am today and where I am today. I remember having conversations with Ryan asking, "Do you think there'd ever be a chance where I could take half of your job?" Because he was the former dean of students and the former men's resident director. And I'd talked to him, and he was like, "Yeah, that'd be awesome. I'd love to maybe, break off from being the resident director and give that to you one day." And by the way, Mike Giles is the dean of students now, and he is fantastic. Mike is a great guy. I love working with him every day, and he helps me grow as a coworker and such. But Ryan, I talked to him about that, and my senior year, he had sat me down the fall, and he had said, "Noah, I've got accepted for another job, and I'm going to take it." And he said, "But with that, I have put you as the front runner for being a men's resident director." I talked to Greg Stauffer, who would be part of hiring you, and I said, "If Noah applies, you hire him." And so I did. I applied because Ryan believed in me. He said, "Noah, I really want you to go for this job. I think you do great at it." And so I did. I applied. I was the only applicant, but I'm still super honored to have gotten the job and all that stuff. But I only applied because Ryan believed in me. And Ryan believed I could do it. He invested in me, and he showed me what it looked like to be a leader. He helped me with cultural sensitivity. He helped me to find humility. Ryan helped me with so much, along with the professors and staff here at Great Lakes. So many different people invested in me, along with my friends, and they just helped me throughout my journey, throughout college, and finding what God had in store for me. And sure enough, it was being the men's resident director here at Great Lakes. So I can assure you, with all those good people that were investing in me and helping me to grow personally, that is why I am where I am today. And I'm very happy with my job. I love being a part of Great Lakes. I love living here with my wife. The school's been very good to us, and we're very thankful to be here. And so I can assure you that any generosity shown to the school, any investment made, will immediately and directly impact the students so that I can invest in others just like Ryan invested in me. Being in charge of the RAs with my position, I can directly be over some pretty model students, really. servant leaders, some of the top servant leaders, I get to invest in them because of my position. And so what Ryan did for me, I can do to others because I was personally invested in. Thank you very much for your time.